If you are traveling to Thailand at any time, there is something extremely important you need to know before you land. You are now required to complete a new digital form called the Thailand Digital Arrival Card. This form is mandatory for anyone who does not hold Thai citizenship. Whether you are traveling on a tourist visa or entering visa-free, this form is essential for entry. Without it, you will not be able to pass through the immigration desk. The form is simple, but some parts need further clarification. That is why, in this video, I will explain the correct process in detail, step by step. This will help you finish your airport procedures in just a few minutes so you can start enjoying your vacation immediately. Now, there is one important thing to know before we begin. You must fill out this form within 72 hours of your arrival. Do not try to complete it any earlier than that, as the system will not allow it. To complete the form, you will need to have 3 documents ready: your passport, your flight number, and the address of the hotel where you will stay for your first night in Thailand. Alright, let's begin the application. Go to the official Thailand Digital Arrival Card website. I have left the link for you in the description box. Once you enter the site, 2 options will appear. The first option is Arrival Card, which is for new applications. The second option is Update Arrival Card, used if you have already applied and need to update your information. Since you are applying for the first time, we will click on Arrival Card. A personal information page will open. Here, you must fill in the data exactly as it appears in your passport. First, enter your family name, then add your first name. If you have a middle name, add it, otherwise leave that field blank. Next is nationality. Just type the first letter or 2 of your nationality, and it will appear in the list. For this example, I will choose Canada. After that, add your passport number. Next, enter your date of birth by selecting the year, then the month, and then the day. On the same page, you will add your occupation and select your gender. You will then see a field for a visa number. If you are traveling visa-free or obtaining a visa on arrival, leave this field blank. However, if you have already obtained a visa, enter the number here. Finally, add your country of residence, followed by your city of residence, enter your phone number, and click Continue. This takes us to the travel information page. In the first field, add your arrival date. Remember, the date will only be available if you are applying within 72 hours of your arrival. I will select the 17th. Next, it will ask for the country you are traveling from. Even if you have a transit stop in another country before arriving in Thailand, you should still select your original departure country as long as you did not pass through immigration or receive an entry stamp in the transit country. For the purpose of travel, I will select holiday. For the mode of travel, I will select air, and for mode of transport, I will select commercial flight. Next, enter your flight number, which you can find in your confirmation email, and paste it here. Now we fill in the departure information. First, select your departure date. For the mode of travel, select air, and for the mode of transport, select commercial flight. Then add your departure flight number. Now let's fill in the accommodation information. For the type of stay in Thailand, select hotel. For the province, select the area where your hotel is located. I will choose Bangkok. Then select the sub-district and enter the postcode. Finally, add the specific address, which can be found in your hotel booking confirmation email. Once the address is added, click Continue. This brings us to the final section, the health declaration. Here you will be asked about any countries you visited in the 2 weeks prior to your arrival. For example, if you traveled from Canada, stayed in Vietnam for a week, and then headed to Thailand, you would add both Canada and Vietnam. In my case, I am flying from Canada with only a transit stop in China, so I will only add Canada. Click on Preview to review all the information you have provided. Make sure everything matches your passport, hotel reservation, and flight number. After that, you will be asked for your email address. This is the most important part because the arrival card will be sent there. Enter your email, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and click Agree, then Submit. The system will ask you to confirm your email address, so click Confirm. You will then be prompted to either download the arrival card or open it in a new window. Select Download and save the file to your phone. As you can see, this is the Thailand Digital Arrival Card. It contains all your trip details and a QR code. Keep a copy on your phone so you can access it without an internet connection, and it is also a good idea to have a printed copy in case your phone battery dies at the airport. This card will simplify all your airport procedures, allowing you to finish everything in minutes and start enjoying your trip. That is it, my friend. Do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with everything new. Goodbye.